Hi everyone, I'm here to talk to you about leave-in conditioners. There are spray leave-in conditioners and there are cream leave-in conditioners. I prefer, for myself, cream. Just depends on the type of hair, what the type of person likes. I like cream. So my favorite is Supershine Moisture Creme. They also make a light for fine to medium hair or extra long hair, so it won't weigh it down. So if you've seen my other videos, blue means shine and moisture, and it does have keratin to help repair. So I put this on in my hair after I get out of the shower, use about probably half the size of the symbol in my hair. And if you know me on an everyday life, like if you're my client or not, this is all I use in my hair. I put this in my hair and I let it air dry. I mean, my hair, I did go through it with a wand today, but like, I guess this is a good example. I used Brilliant shampoo today and I used my color mask and then I used the moisture cream on my ends and then I let it air dry and then I went over like a few pieces with the wand just so like it looks like I did my hair a little bit more for you guys. But this is my favorite. So, and the thing with Oribe is their whole entire line is made up on like a 3-step program. So, step 1 is a primer. So, it's either a primer spray or a like cream leave-in conditioner. 2 would be your styling product. And then 3 would be your finishing product, like a hairspray, texturizing spray, anything on dry hair. And the key with all of their products is you do not cocktail them together. You layer them onto your hair. So that's a few little key things that most people don't know about their line. This leave-in conditioner does have a UV protection. It won't weigh your hair down. It's going to help defrizz your hair. So that's why I'm able to, for my hair, to air dry with it. It takes all the little frizzies that I would normally get with no product in my hair, and it just kind of helps enhance my natural texture, which is a wavy texture. So it's great. It's great if you're going on, you just need a product to put in your hair to do something to your hair. This would be it. It's going to help. It's going to moisture, repair, tame frizz, do everything you want a hair product to do. The only difference is there is no styling hold memory to it. But that's what like a working hairspray is for if you're going to curl your hair after. So we'll talk about that later. And you can also get this on parlorh.com and use the coupon code with all caps, Crystal B 1520, and it's in my bio if you forget, but this is a life-changing product too. I'm saying that about all of them because they all are. Bye.